Hola! This is my second video for you this year. Today I want to share with you some tips and tricks how can you find a very cheap holiday. Actually, I discovered a few years ago an amazing website with very good prices for ticket plane, and then you also can find a very good offer and last minute deals for accommodation. So after you listen my video, I will put on a link my secret website for searching for a very good holiday. I think all of us, we need and we deserve to have more holiday. Especially when you work a lot, you need to recharge your battery. And traveling around the world, it's very powerful and fulfill our soul and spirit with a lot of energy and joy. So this year, propose yourself to travel more with a very good budget, and propose yourself to discover new culture, new food, new places. Sometimes I just love to walk on the street, unknown street in a new city, and to admire the building, and then to stop to eat something or to drink something local. And in this way, I feel that I know better and better our amazing world. So, travel more with a good budget this year for your family. Bye, and have a very good and safe trip.